Welcome to the digital age, where technology is at the heart of everything we do. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, we are interacting with technology in some shape or form. It's in our pockets, on our desks, even in our kitchen appliances. But as our reliance on technology grows, so does the complexity and sophistication of cybersecurity threats. Cyber criminals are always on the lookout for the next big break, the next vulnerability to exploit. And as we delve deeper into the world of technology, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. It's not just about protecting our devices, it's about safeguarding our lives, our privacy, and our freedom. So, let's dive in and explore one of the most advanced threats we face today: polymorphic malware. As we navigate the digital age, our reliance on technology grows, as does the sophistication of cyber threats. One of the most advanced threats we face is polymorphic malware. This type of malicious software is cunningly designed to change its code and characteristics, making detection incredibly difficult. Now, with the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, the threat of polymorphic malware is reaching new heights. AI enables this malware to alter its digital footprint every time it spreads, much like a virus that mutates to resist vaccines. For someone who may not be familiar with these terms, think of malware as a harmful program intended to damage or disable computers and computer systems. Polymorphic malware, then, is like a spy who can change disguises at will, slipping past security checkpoints undetected. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. From healthcare to transportation, from education to entertainment, AI is reshaping industries, enhancing efficiency and productivity. It has the potential to greatly enhance our lives, making everyday tasks easier and more streamlined. However, as with all great advancements, there's a flip side. The same technology that can help us can also be used against us. In the realm of cybersecurity, AI can be a double-edged sword. While it can help detect and neutralize threats, it can also be used to create more sophisticated and elusive forms of malware, such as the AI-driven polymorphic malware we've been discussing. So, while AI holds immense potential, it also presents new challenges in the realm of cybersecurity. The potential of AI-driven polymorphic malware is concerning. It's not just that it can change its appearance, it's that it can learn. With AI, this malware can analyze and understand how it was detected and then modify itself to avoid similar detection in the future. This is an alarming prospect for individuals and organizations alike, as it can lead to significant breaches of privacy, financial loss, and disruption of services. The implications of this are vast. Financial institutions, healthcare systems, and even critical national infrastructure could be at risk. Personal data could be accessed and misused. The very foundations of our digital security are challenged by this evolving threat. So, what's being done to combat this? The cybersecurity industry is in an arms race against these threats. We're developing more sophisticated AI-powered security systems. These systems are designed to detect anomalies, learn from attacks, and respond in real time. Security experts are also constantly researching and sharing knowledge to stay one step ahead. While technology and security systems play a crucial role, let's not forget that individuals are the first line of defense against cyber threats. Your vigilance online is paramount. Make sure to keep your software updated, use strong and unique passwords, and be cautious of suspicious emails or links. Moreover, staying educated about the latest threats and understanding how to prevent them is essential. Remember, the safety of your digital life is in your hands. It's not just about the tech, it's about you too. The future of our digital security relies on our ability to outsmart these threats. It's a continuous battle of innovation, vigilance, and adaptation. As we progress further into an AI-enhanced world, the role of cybersecurity becomes more critical than ever. The safety of our digital lives depends on our preparedness to face these intelligent threats head-on. Thank you for watching, stay safe online, and remember, your digital security is in your hands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content like this.